Subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications of latest videos.
Did you always want to start a blog on WordPress but find the process too complicated? Well, we are here to help you with this thing. Hello people, my name is Dinesh and you're watching Tweak Libraries YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss 6 easy steps to start a WordPress blog in less than 10 minutes. Without further ado, let's discuss the process. To begin, simply go to the WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com in your browser. Once you're on WordPress site, click on Get Started button. Now, to start the process, in step 1, it will ask you to create an account. To do this, enter your email address, select a username, and choose a password. Once you have mentioned all necessary details, tap on Create Your Account button. It will take you to the next step. In the second step, you need to mention what type of site you are creating. As we want to start a blog, select Blog from the options. In step 3, it asks you what your blog is about. Here, you need to enter a topic. As we are creating technology blog, so type and select technology and continue. In the fourth step, you need to mention your site's name. It will appear at the top of your site and can be changed at any time. Now, you are on the fifth step. Here, you need to select domain name. Be careful when selecting domain name. A pro tip is you should include primary keyword from your industry in the domain name. It should be 2 to 3 words ideally. You should also list few domain names so that you can find one as per availability. Here, it also gives you filters option that helps you show exact matches only when you search for domain name. Once you selected the domain name, it will look for availability of the selected domain. In case selected domain is not available, then you need to select another domain name. Now, it will show you multiple options below. As we are looking for free version, select the one that is available for free. To the next screen, it will show you different plans to choose from. Here, tap on Start with Free option to start a free blog. And here it is, you have successfully created a blog for yourself. Once you have created a blog, select Settings under Manage option from left panel to make necessary tweaks in settings. Once you have made necessary changes in settings, simply press right button in the top right corner to start blogging. So this was a quick tutorial on how to start a WordPress blog in 6 easy steps in less than 10 minutes. If you liked the video, please share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Dinesh signing off.